we got this GoPro, this $500, and like I just want to thank my dad for buying this for me. So thanks, Dad. But today I'm gonna unbox it because like I've never made an unboxing video on my channel, and I also changed my channel to Random Universe, so just telling you. And so I'm gonna be opening this Hero 6 color black GoPro, the new one. Yeah, there, that's it. Oh, nice. So here's the memory card. This is not that important. Well, it is actually very important, but I'm just gonna keep it there. So here's the GoPro. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, I like it. Oh, look at that. That's cool. There's more stuff coming down. Oh, there's stickers. That's cool. Oh, there's like some information. Can't get it out. There we go. Doesn't look important, but it probably is. So, what is this stuff? Here's a cable for something. Yeah, here's another thing. And I think this has to be the charger, something. I don't really know about GoPros, I don't know that much. But it should tell you how to get it off. Cause like, I don't know how to get it off. Wait, so it says raise that, and then do. I'm sorry if I'm having trouble. Honestly, let's do this at the end of the video. So let me just open this. Here's all the attachments and stuff. Oh wait, I opened it the wrong way again. Not again. I'm gonna open this. So here's the thing. I guess like you can put the GoPro and then you go like this and stuff. So this is like a selfie stick. Wait, doesn't this? No, it doesn't. What's that? What? Oh, here's the thing. What is this called? The stand for the GoPro. That's pretty cool. I can put it like right there, and I can make videos. Or I can put it like right here, facing the TV, so I can make gaming videos on my gaming channel. Oh, look at this. Isn't this like for underwater? I think, maybe. But I think it is. I don't know. Here's some attachments. Just to let you know, I'm actually not gonna put this together today in this video because, well, I can't do it. I don't know what any of these parts do. Well, I know what these parts do, but not everything else. So my dad will like probably help me put this together after this video, because like I can't make this again. Oh, here's a bag. That's nice. So I can just carry my GoPro anywhere I go. So I can make like videos. I can vlog too, because like I can't vlog with my iPad. I can't just go into public with my iPad like, hi. That would look weird. What? This is big. Wait, isn't this? It has to be, right? It has to be the chest. Yeah, it's the chest part. This is cool. Yeah. Nice. Okay. I'm probably gonna use this a lot. Probably not. Probably. I don't know. But I like this a lot. Yeah. It's cool. You put the GoPro here. But yeah. I think that's it for today. I'm sorry if this was short. This video was short. But yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. But next video is actually not. It's gonna be better quality and stuff because I'm gonna use a GoPro, and so like I'm kind of excited for that. I can't wait to put this together and stuff. So I hope I see you guys in the next video. Bye.